If you think banana cake is sweet, then you have not tested mango cake. Yes, I said it. Mango cake is softer, fruitier, juicier, and honestly, it melts in your mouth. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to make it. Hello family, welcome to my channel. Quick update, my channel name is now Cook with Jess. Nothing else has changed really, it's just the name. Thank you all for being here and growing with me. So let's get right into the video. So for this mango cake, you need flour. I use about 2 cups of flour here, some sugar, 2 eggs, a pinch of salt, and some vegetable oil. We'll also be making use of baking powder. And now the star of the show, a very ripe mango. I actually used 2 mangoes for this recipe, and then a cup of milk. You see how yellowish that mango is? That is how your mango should be looking. Should be very ripe, because the riper, the sweeter. So my mango has already been nicely peeled and cut into bits. So I went ahead to pour it into my blender. I also poured 2 eggs into the blender, and then the sugar went in as well. The amount of sugar you will use depends on your preference. Just use the amount that works for you. Just remember that the type of mango you use matters a lot in actually bringing out the color and enhancing the flavor of the cake. So after that has blended for a while, it turned out really smooth. I actually had to go ahead to add my vegetable oil and also blend. The only reason why I'm adding the vegetable oil at this time is because I'm using a small blender. I didn't want it to overflow, so I blended in batches. Please, if you have a big blender, by all means, use it. It will actually save your time. So after blending everything all together, you take a bowl and you pour in all your batter. I actually had to add a little water and rinse out what was left in the blender. Of course now, very typical for a typical Naija babe. So now it's time to mix all the dry ingredients together. If you have watched to this point, I believe you are enjoying the video. On this channel, I share simple baking recipes, cooking tutorials, and simple kitchen tips. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment down below. Let me know if you'll be trying this. If you've tried it before, I want to know what you think about it. Do you agree that it's better than banana cake? After pouring in the dry ingredients into the bowl, please go ahead and add your milk. After that is done, you mix, and mix, but make sure not to overmix. Overmixing activates the gluten too much and can make your cake heavy instead of fluffy. Your end result should be a smooth batter, slightly thick but not too thick. If you think your batter is too thick, go ahead to add a little milk to loosen it up a bit. So when you're done with the mixing, so next go ahead to grease your pan. I'm using oil here. You can use butter if that is what you have. So go ahead to place your parchment paper properly in the pan. If you do not have a parchment paper, there's nothing to worry about. A parchment paper just helps it come off easily. For greasing your pan properly would also do the same job. So you see, it's optional. So now I just went ahead to pour in my batter right into my baking pan. The consistency is just perfect. So I had to get another smaller pan to be able to accommodate all the batter together. And now we're ready to bake. So remember, we're not using a regular oven. Let's go ahead to make our oven, shall we? Get an old pot, pour in some salt. Sand can also work as well. Put in something that can hold your cake slightly above the salt. Make sure to cover your pot for like 10 minutes to preheat before you go ahead and bake. After 45 minutes, your cake should be ready. This cake came out amazing, absolutely amazing. Guys, the texture of this cake was on another level. You will not understand until you try it. If you're watching this when mangoes are in season, better utilize this opportunity and go and make this cake for your family. The only thing that I need from you is to come back and tell me how it came out. Just come back and testify in the comments. I promise you this is one of the best cakes you ever taste. Look at that color. Look at the texture. Ah! As you cut through it, you'll see that it's moist and it's so fluffy inside. It's not dry, it's not heavy, it's just perfect. The mango flavor is natural and refreshing. So next time someone tells you banana cake is the best fruity cake, you know what to tell them. I'll see you guys in my next video.